fucking with me. You a bum. Bitch, you not fucking with me. Bitch, you not fucking with me. They not fucking with me. None of y'all fucking with me. Nigga, you not fucking with me. You a bum. Bitch, you not fucking with me. Bitch, you not fucking with me. They not fucking with me. None of y'all fucking with me. She look way better than you. That's a fact. She got more money than you. That's a fact. I mean, her car look better, her crib look better, bitch. All her shit better than you. That's a fact. Nigga, you must be a scrub. You get curved by every bitch in the club. You a bubble. Bitches never show you love. You be reaching in for hugs, then she push your ass back with a shove. Beat it. Tell that bitch you tired of life. Cause your nigga ain't fucking you right. That's what I'm saying. Him and his weak ass pipe, and his car not even nice. Now he got you rethinking your life. Shorty, your man is a bum. How dare you dump me for him? And now you went and had a son, and he bout to turn one.